Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the humidity control slide in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new humidity control slide. The humidity control slide is mounted in front of the fruit and vegetables pan shelf in the fresh food compartment. By sliding it from side to side, one can change the humidity level inside the pan. The main reason why the humidity control slide would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Next, I'm going to remove both drawers, upper and middle. Next, I'm going to remove the glass from the shelf. Lift it up and take it out to mitigate the risk of breaking it. Now we're going to lift up the front end and pull it straight out. Tilt it a little bit and remove it. All right, so let's bring it to the table and I'm going to turn it over. And we're going to work to remove this slide. First, we need to remove this handle. I'm going to press in this tab and pull it out. So it's going to disengage from here, as you can see. Next thing, I'm going to remove this seal by pulling it straight up. And this handle gonna slide out. Now I'm going to slide this all the way to the side, and using a small flat blade screwdriver, I'm gonna insert it underneath here, and I'm going to pull it up. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Pull it up. And here also. And at this point, we're going to lift it off. This is the old humidity control slide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we have a new slide and we're going to install it. First, we're going to place this end under those 4 hinges and align this little ball with one of the waves. And I'm going to push it in. So I'm going to use this small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press this in. Next, we're going to insert this handle in, and I'm going to lock it into the slide. Push it in. Now the seal goes back on. If you can see, there's a groove inside there, and we are locking it onto this 4 plastic fins. And now we can install it into the fridge. I'm going to slide in the back onto the pins. So we slide the shelf over the rear pins and lower down the front, and we're going to install the glass on. Support it from underneath, and now we're going to install the drawers. I'm going to put them on the rails and slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.